Was? Yeah. Who's refusing? Oh, yes, Yoav is refusing to eat his grapes. He's trying really hard, but he's aiming for the camera right now. Aunt Shani's on the phone.
What? Mommy's coming over.
Show Shani how you eat your grapes. Here. Here are your grapes. You like them. There you go. Now he's making faces. I bet he got a sour one.
Sorry.
No. It's really funny, Shani. I'm going to send you this video.
Yes.
Yummy? Is it yummy? Is that so?
You could write to Grandma that he's eating anabim. It's one of the words that she knows in Hebrew.
She'll hear it on YouTube if she gets the clip. He can hear you.
Yoav is eating anabim.
Ta'im, Yoavi? He's really enjoying it. It's really funny.
You're smiling? Or you just really like
He's just really concentrated on it. He's like sucking it like a mousse, but with more intent.
It finally has different flavor in his mouth.
Yummy. Now I want to eat camera.
You love electronics. Alright, Yanine, I'm gonna go. I've been on the phone for the past like hour.
Alright, yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Really funny, Sly.
Casino.